What's up guys, this is Usman here. In this video I am going to do quick unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy S20 Fan Edition. Plus I will also talk about its few key features. So for that, let's jump to the table. So here is the box. At the top there is branding of S20 and at the bottom there is mention of FE, which means Fan Edition. Now let's open the box. At the top, here is device. Let's place the cover on the side. This is the device. Its color is navy blue, the quad camera as you can see placed vertically. Then this paper with the Samsung branding and the warranty card. Let's place them on the side. And here is the power adapter which is providing 15 watt fast charging, and I'm not really impressed with this thing in this budget. And after that, the Samsung provided us this empty box. And here is the USB-C port for power adapter. And the box is empty now. Following the steps of the Apple, Samsung don't provide us hand-free with this device. I don't know why Samsung provided this little empty box. What do you say? And here is another box which was stuck in the top cover. Again, here is branding of the Samsung at the top of the box. And on the back of the box, Samsung provided SIM tool. Let's open the box and see what is inside it. As usual, there are few manuals in this box and there is no silicone cover for this phone. So there is no hands-free and no silicone cover with this device. Now let's turn on the device and talk about its key features. The first key feature that I want to mention is the 120Hz refresh rate of this device, which is really premium thing from the Samsung in this budget. And you can also select between 60Hz and 120Hz as you want. And if we talk more about its display, Samsung provided Super AMOLED in S20 FE with the resolution of 1440x2400 pixels with the protection of Gorilla Glass 3. One thing more I want to mention about display is 431 pixel density, which provides really great experience in the Samsung Galaxy S20 FE. On the back there are speaker, charging port and mic. Volume rocker and the power button are on the right side. Left side of the phone is totally clean. And on the top there is place for the SIM tray. Samsung Galaxy S20 FE comes with Exynos 990, which is built on 7+ nm with the RAM of 8GB and 128GB of the ROM. Plus one thing more to note, and that is S20 FE sports 1TB of external micro SD card, which is really great thing in this budget. And if we talk about its camera, there is 12 megapixel wide, 8 megapixel telephoto and 12 megapixel ultra wide along with the flash on the back. And 32 megapixel front camera which provides 4K at 60 FPS. Battery capacity is 4500 mAh, which is not really good. What do you say about its battery capacity? So this was the quick unboxing of S20 FE and its key features. Hope you enjoyed the video. Soon I will compare its camera with the Galaxy S8 Plus. So for that, subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.